How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nice.
Sisi nimekuwa nini?
Bangra bangra om shanti om shanti. Om nom nom.
This is the floating village. Temple Tena. The floating village. We are here
in Cambodia.
This is Cambodia. So we're going to use one of those to explore this place. Guys, kuna matope. Hata sikuwa nimeona. Kuna duka nini hiyo ni fish? People where we are? We are at the floating village. This is Cambodia. Look the way it looks like. It's giving what Cameri? It's giving village. It's giving Kisumu Bondo.
That has omokad.
The Kisumu Bondo that has omokad. So we are here to experience how the people here they live in the floating village. And behind you there's I think a temple or something. There's so many temples here, very many temples.
And another YouTuber.
Content creator and a capture content creator. Eh?
Yeah, let's go and see what is happening.
So we're walking to the boat now. I think this is the ride we take to the floating villages. And very good.
something that I'm just like of what I'm seeing today. My eyes can't believe it. So we're here to see the fish farm, snakes and crocodiles. I'm not sure if I want to see snakes. I'm scared of snakes. I want to just say where. What I've seen, my comment is where. This is a normal market here in Cambodia in this floating village. So I think right now we have gone home, but normally they stay here and sell things. Maybe we missed it, so it's fine. These are stalls, right? These are stalls. Yeah.
One lake that in Asia fresh water.
This fresh water?
Yeah, fresh water.
Come on in your cars, could you please?
China,
I don't.
Tibet, and Crow, Laos,
Thank you.
Cambodian, and Vietnam.
I don't want.
Phnom Penh and Conner. Know-how, yeah, know-how.
Okay, and
mostly that before we always do the boat see in the village over there.
Yeah.
But now the dry water dry.
Right, so the village is all on the land.
That before, next 3 months, next 3 months, beautiful, that area.
Oh, it's all water.
But now it's you interesting, like you provide them a job, yeah? Already, we special price, we said we are one boat, 2 people, we charge you, how much, we don't know, but one boat, $15, 1.5. Can you put it on? Yeah, but the lady use a small boat for you to see in the jungle. Yeah, $15. In that village,
Yeah,
we have 400 family.
400 family.
Yeah, 400 family, but family, some one family 5 people, some 8 people, some 10 people.
Okay.
Yeah, that living around this area. So that if we have them a job, we small income for support their family also.
So here is the crocodile farm. Yes, look at Ruki to kule mguu.
Yeah, crocodile.
How beautiful.
Who keeps them?
That is owner of around that area, but far away.
So they keep it.
Almost they store to other countries.
Hao wameshafunga market, wanaenda nyumbani. This is the market. Hao wanauza ama wanafunga? What I've seen today is just so strange to my eyes. You cannot experience this if you don't travel. Maybe you just see it in movies, but seeing it in real, experiencing it live, it's a whole different experience. Because I've seen this and I'm like, goodness, what is happening here? But yeah, this is just their way of life. They are okay living this way. So yeah, it might look strange to us, but to them it is their way of living. And I guess they are so happy doing this kind of life, and they are comfortable. And as you can see, even in the evening, they're swimming, they are having dinner, they're just resting and having a good time. So yes, I'm so grateful to have experienced this kind of thing that I never knew existed. This kind of things, maybe you might see them on movies or on other people's YouTube videos, but when you watch it in real life, oh my God, it is a different kind of experience, just being there and experiencing it real time. So yes, that is the floating village in Cambodia. This is how these people live, and it's their way of life, and it is good to them. Honestly speaking, let me just say
Kuna movie ingine na watch inaitwa When Life Gives You Tangerine. Imeshutiwa mahali kama hapa but ni huko Korea.
Alafu mnaona vile tulikuwa tunapita kwa hiyo maji. Mbona watu na hizo small boats wamevaa mahali? Wanatoka mashughuli. Msimuona movie kadhaa hivi. Watu kwa boats. Boats ndogo hivyo. Alafu kwanza nikiona hiyo wanaita jango. Unajua hizo mani nisikike you get attacked kwa hizo ati kwa ora. Kwa river. Alafu nini wanatoka kwa jango nini wanakuja wanawatakiani I have thought of so many things that show.
Maji niko mpaka na parking. Na hata kuna mtu ana boat mbili.
Kuna rich na kuna poor. Angalia wale ni tajiri. Hapa ndio kwa wadosi. Huko ni kwa wadosi.
Alisema huko ni kwa wadosi.
Hata huku.
Kama huyu amekomplete. Lakini hii ni shule. High school kwanza.
You never get to see the stick.
Liso wako na stima.
So unafunga tu boat yako kama umeingia kwa nyumba. Ni stima ndio hiyo hapo.
Kuna stima.
But nikaa hata time ya nini wana change to solar.
Ndio maana hizi $15 zinaenda. It goes to building the village. Ndio gava inachukua mnalipa kwa hiyo pesa mnalipa kwa gava.
Na gava hizi wahamisha watoke huku kama wataki.
Sasa na wahamishaje ndio $15 zinaleta matuari.
Ndio tumekuja kuona hapa. Pia gava iko na interest yake tu.